Goodluck Jonathan is permitted to contest the presidential election if he wants to contest, and that there's no law banning him. The 2018 law that people refer to, that is the amendment, the 16th amendment to the Act, which is Section 133, Subsection 3, says a person who was sworn in as president to complete the term for which another person was elected as president should not be elected for such office for more than a single term. Now, somebody like the governor of Ondo State cannot contest for another term. He cannot contest for another term as governor because he completed um, Akredolu's first term and then he came in. So he's only going to do one term. Was elected and he was elected for one term only. He's not permitted to do it, to contest again. Um, Falana had argued back then that Jonathan will spend cumulatively 9 years in office if he were permitted to contest again, arguing that a person is constitutionally empowered or permitted to spend just 8 years in office. You know, so but this section 137 of section 3 that some of these people are relying on was signed into law in 2018, 3 years after Jonathan left office. So naturally, it is not expected that the um, that particular alteration to the constitution will be. Oh, it is not expected that that alteration to the constitution will be binding on him because he is just some people trying to reach me. So,
That's right.
he cannot. People can't expect that a law that came into being 3 years after he left office will be used against him. And of course, there is a federal high court ruling obtained in
Yeah.
Bayelsa State, you know, in the days leading to the 2023 presidential election, which has not been set aside by any court. So since it has not been set aside by any court, people can be assured that Jonathan is permitted by the laws of the land and by the judgments of the Court of Appeal as well as the High Court to contest if he wants to.